Happy New Year, everyone. This is Unbox with Chad, and I'm here to do a quick review of Ghostbusters Ecto 1. Alright, we're back. This is the 1:24 scale diecast, and it is part of the Hollywood Ride series. Out of the box, ang ganda. Solid siya guys at mabigat. Tignan nyo ang 1959 Cadillac Miller Meteor. It is fully detailed, pati yung equipment sa bubong ay kuwang-kuha. By the way, if you enjoy contents like this, please do click on like and subscribe. This diecast car has an awesome feature as well. The driver and passenger seat opens. The rear compartment and also the hood. Diba ang angas?
Patikot-ikot lang ang mundo. Di mo malalaman kung saan nga ba ang tulo. Basta't ikaw ay dire-diretso. Makikita mo din kung saan ka ba tutungo.
Pati yung mga gulong, ang ganda tignan. Rubber ito guys, kaya ang ganda ng andar. For size comparison, here it is with 1:32 Petron Lamborghini, with 1:24 Batmobile, and 1:18 Mach 5. So for me, if you're a fan of Ghostbusters, then it is a good buy. However, if you're collecting Hollywood rides, then it is a must. Kaya naman itong Jada Ecto 1 ay talaga namang ayos!